Hello everyone. Today we will learn about extreme programming. So we will start from Introduction to Extreme Programming XP. Extreme programming is an agile software development framework designed to enhance software quality and effectiveness of the development team. It focuses on the iterative development, continuous feedback, and high level of customer involvement throughout the process. Now moving to the next slide. Here we will see principles of extreme programming. Customer-centric approach. Extreme programming places great emphasis on the customer, ensuring that their needs guide every aspects of development process, leading to higher user satisfaction and valuable solution. Communication and feedback encourages open communication, frequent feedback, and collaboration among the team members, fostering a culture of transparency and continuous improvement. Simplicity and flexibility. Promotes simplicity in designing and coding, allowing for easier maintenance and adaptability to changing requirements, reducing unnecessary complexity. Now in this slide, we will study pair programming. Collaborative development. Two programmers work together at a machine, continuously collaborating and discussing and reviewing each other's code, resulting in higher quality software. Enhanced quality, leading to collective code ownership, fewer detection, better design, and promotes knowledge sharing within the team. Improved learning. Provides a platform for learning from others, exploring new perspectives, and enhancing overall team skills and knowledge base. Now in this slide, we will learn about test-driven development, TDD. First, iterative approach emphasizes writing tests before writing actual code, ensuring that the code is functional and meets the specific requirements. Second, reduction of errors results in efficient code that is thoroughly tested, reducing the likelihood of post-development errors and enhancing the overall software quality. Third, refactoring focus encourages continuous refactoring, thus maintaining clean code and flexible while adding a new functionality. In this slide, we will learn about continuous integration, CI. Automated processes. CI promotes automated testing, resulting in early detection of integrated issues, reducing the risk of late stage failures and simplifying the integration process. Now second point, enhanced collaboration facilitates a comprehensive development environment that encourages continuous collaboration, enabling frequent deployment and delivery of software features. Third, rapid feedback provides an intermediate testing and feedback, allowing for the quick identification and resolution of the potential issues, enhancing software stability and reliability. Now in this slide, we will understand on-site customers. Real-time insights. A physical presence of customers ensures real-time collaboration, direct feedback, and immediate decision making, leading to the delivery of more customer-centric products. Second, requirement clarity enables clearer and more detailed requirement understanding, resulting in greater alignment between customer expectations and the final product. Now moving to the next slide, small releases. Frequent delivery agile approach enables increment delivery of features, ensuring constant value addition and early feedback from stakeholders. User satisfaction. Enhanced quality leads to higher user satisfaction by providing regular updates and improving the user experience with each release. In this slide, we will learn about sustainable pace. First, balanced workload. Second, consistent quality. First, balanced workload. In balanced workload, it prevents burnout and promotes the work-life balance, leading to improved productivity, longer sustainability, and higher promotion within the team. Second, consistent quality facilitates the consistent delivery of higher quality work without sacrificing team being and promising the development process. Here we will learn about collective code ownership. Collaborative environment encourages share code responsibility, continuous code review, allowing the team members to contribute and improve code collaboratively, reduced dependency, minimized individual code ownership, reducing the impact of developer absence and promoting a comprehensive team culture. Now the last slide of the video. Conclusion and benefits about extreme programming. First, software quality. Enhances software quality by continuously addressing user feedback and ensuring adaptability, robustness and high performance. Second, team productivity. Promotes team responsibility, creating creativity and collaboration, leading to higher productivity, lower defect rate and timely delivery. Third, customer satisfaction. Delivers customer-centric product and feature resulting in higher satisfaction levels and customer loyalty.